Hello?
Hi, Barry. My name's Scott, the AI bot with Roadway Inc. I just got a form from you requesting a free septic consultation. My job's to quickly help you with that. Does that sound good?
I was going to say I didn't expect you to be home on Sunday.
Yeah, we try to help folks get scheduled, even on weekends. Do you have 2 minutes to talk right now?
Oh, absolutely. No question. I'm retired, so.
Perfect, thanks. To help us better assist you, can you confirm if you're the property owner where the septic system will be installed?
Well, I will be. I'm purchasing a piece of land in probably Rockingham or Stratford County.
Got it. Thanks for sharing that. Congratulations on your upcoming purchase. To get a better
Well,
idea.
cross my fingers, all this stuff works.
Totally understandable. Buying land is a big step. To help us out, how many bedrooms will the home have?
One or two, probably two, because of resale value. I don't care. I only need one, and I'm going to live in it alone.
Absolutely, that makes sense. Thanks for letting me know. One more quick question, if we can help, and the septic.
Sure.
If we can help and the septic system meets all your conditions, including price, when would you want to get started?
Probably as soon as I purchase the land and have received, I believe my realtor is telling me that it may take a little longer to get permission or a variance to install a mobile home. Now, I know you could probably start before that, which would be great, okay? So, like I said, but I do have to purchase the land, and that's going to take probably 2 months. It seems like all of this stuff goes real slow.
Thanks for explaining that. Sounds like there are a few steps before you're ready to break ground, but you'd want to get going as soon as everything's in place. I can have one of our...
Yes.
Thank you for letting me know. I can have one of our septic specialists give you a call to walk through everything. Great. What day and time would work best for a specialist to call and walk you through everything?
Oh, anytime tomorrow.
Thanks. Let me check our calendar for tomorrow so I can give you a few time options. Just a sec. We have a few times open tomorrow. Here are some options: 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m.
10 a.m.
You're all set. Our septic specialist will call you tomorrow at 10 a.m. I have scheduled your appointment, and you will get a text and email reminder. Thanks for your time, and goodbye for now.